Snow Enzyme Cleanser EX. Unique enzyme-infused cleanser cleanse with soft, thick, snow-like foam, leaving your cleanest, freshest skin ever. Key ingredients: papain, bromelain, mild keratin care that deep cleans, propolis. Biosome uses active ingredients to provide healthy skincare that aids in elasticity, texture, and moisturization. Camellia flower extract delivers intense moisture and nutrients to maintain smooth, glowy skin. Key benefits: soft and gentle cleansing. The powerful enzymes deliver mild exfoliation that removes dead skin cells and impurities, leaving skin clear and infused with moisture. Gently cleanses the skin with natural soapberry and coconut-derived cleansing ingredients, leaving the skin as fresh as snow. Gentle enough for sensitive skin, the enzyme cleanser completed both the eye irritation test and the sensitive skin test to ensure stability. How to use: apply a nickel-sized amount to dry hands and apply evenly to your dry face. Massage gently until the enzymes form a foamy texture. Add warm water to your hands and continue to massage gently until no residue is left behind. Rinse completely with warm water.